You've never been here before, right, Robin? Okay. Have you ever been to a physical therapist before?
Yes.
You have. Have you had a good experience or bad experience?
Nothing helped.
Going through the system and getting failed approaches. They were going to chiropractors, and not to say chiropractors are bad, some are helpful, right? But they were going to chiropractors, acupuncturists, other physical therapists, other doctors, getting injections, some getting surgery, showing up at my office and saying, can you fix me? And I would help them.
The other physical therapy, they did things to me. You know, what I do here is I am being taught different exercises, and I'm actually doing the exercises instead of having things done to me. It's, you know, being passive versus being active. And for me, being an active person who likes to work out, I really enjoy feeling like I'm in control of my physical therapy.
Basically, I suffered an injury on a jet ski, landed on a heavy wave, and had this crazy pain.
Where was your pain? Show me.
Right back here, and it shot down to my knee. Could barely walk, couldn't sit down and work at the computer. I'd be in this crazy pain when I got up.
How bad was your pain on a scale of 1 to 10 after this injury?
It was an 8.
How much improvement did you have after seeing the healer, the chiropractor, and the acupuncturist? Approximately from the 8 out of 10 pain that you were having.
The improvement was only short-lived for that day or two. And then afterwards, it came right back. I started coming here. Within 4 sessions, I'm able to do, watch, this. I'm in no pain.
You couldn't do that before?
I could not do it. I couldn't move. I was stiff. I was like a robot.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say it is now if it was an 8 when you first got here?
It's almost gone. It's a 1.